Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to turn off your two-factor or step verification on Roblox Mobile. Hey everyone, so you want to turn off your two-step verification or the 2FA verification on your Roblox in your mobile app. So I suggest you it is actually easier on your desktop, but here's how. If you want to turn it off using your mobile device, you want to open the Roblox app. Yes, you want to make sure there you have an application for that and log into your account. Tap the three-dot menu, go to More, go to Settings, go to Account Info, and then scroll down and select the Security tab. Under the two-step verification, toggle off the verification option you've enabled. Roblox will ask you to enter your account, password, and a current 2SV code, your email or generated in your Authenticator app to confirm. Once confirmed, the 2SV or the two-step verification will be disabled, and you'll only need your username and password to log in. Keep in mind that this makes your account less secure, so it's recommended to only turn it off occasionally or temporarily if you're fixing login issues or switching device.